So this is probably the last video in the whole process that I'm gonna be sending. If we have other needs, we can go through them again. But so this is going to be the rosemary, and I'm gonna pull it away from the Banneton a little because it does stick. And sometimes it's gotten really nasty and it sticks a lot. That's why you really need to flour your Banneton really well. And I have a piece of parchment. This one's been used. You can use them 2-3 times. And then you just flip it out onto the parchment. Okay. So now I have this rice flour on top. So I'm just going to just wipe it off. You don't have to, but I like the regular white flour. Either one, all-purpose or bread flour, whatever you have. It makes gives that white color if that's some people really like, so you can see the design. Okay, so now I'm going to take my lamb, spelled lame, and I'm going to do like a 45-degree angle, like really deep cut. You want to do a really deep cut so you can see it, so it can actually come through. This will give a good vent, and some people try to go for an ear. I've never mastered the ear. Probably won't this time. So usually 45-degree angle is how it's supposed to go. Then I'll just do this is a lighter cut. So this cut is just not as deep, and this is just decorative. It will release some steam, but this is like the wheat stalk, whatever that you can see. You can do it that way. Put your line down at the end, fill it in. You can buffer it, make it nice and whatever. Okay. So obviously deeper cuts you'll see more. So I'm just gonna do it like that. 2 weeks. Now this is really like flattening out. So, because this has been sitting in the fridge like almost 35 hours. So, and that's what happens. So I put it in my cast iron and just kind of smooth out these. You will see these ripples in your bread once it's cooked. You try to get them out a little bit. Now, my oven temperature is at 415. Some people like put it on 500 and let it sit for an hour and then I don't do that. I just turn it on when I start to do this, put it in, cover it up, and that's it. You'll take it out. You'll do 35 minutes covered at 415 degrees. And then you take the top off, and then you go another about 20 to 25 minutes. You want your internal temperature between 210 and 211. Use the digital thermometer for that. And a nice brown, crispy looking top. Some people also spritz it, whatever, with a little bit of water to get the blisters. You can try all that kind of stuff, or you could put, you can also put some ice cubes, but they're not gonna fit in here. That's when I use a bigger Dutch oven. Okay. That's it. Hope this all helped.